How to remove specific elements in a numpy array. How can I remove some specific elements from a numpy array? Say I have. I then want to remove 3, 4, 7 from A. All I know is the index of the values, index equals 2, 3, 6.
Use numpy.delete, returns a new array with subarrays along an axis deleted. For your specific question, note that numpy.delete returns a new array since array scalars are immutable, similar to strings in Python, so each time a change is made to it, a new object is created. I.e., to quote the delete docs, a copy of R with the elements specified by obj removed. Note that delete does not occur in place. If the code I post has output, it is the result of running the code.
There's a numpy built-in function to help with that.
A numpy array is immutable, meaning you technically cannot delete an item from it. However, you can construct a new array without the values you don't want, like this.
To delete by value.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.